was going down on top of the Avengers there earlier. Think it have anything to do with that massive face that's in the sky? Nah, probably.
At least she doesn't look like your mom this time.
I'm telling you, search Heroes Wrestle Scorpion.
I have an urgent request from Madam Hydra.
Kang watches us with those drones. It's so creepy.
Take down the crime that's happening right now. You could win a fabulous prize. The prize is satisfaction at a job well done. Same as all the others. Sorry.
Say, if you're not too busy, I had another job.
Citizens are warned not to approach the Kang surveillance drone.
Is it odd that I'm really craving ice cream?
I just want to go home already.
There was some kind of ancient.
The master says I won't make any...
Citizens of Chronopolis are reminded not specifically.
Kang surveillance drone now approaching.
I'm the world's fastest runner. None of you will ever beat me. Think you can beat my record?
should take it.
Not sure who's behind it this time, but there's more trouble on your doorstep. Go get him.
This Granopolis situation sure has been bad for business. Ferry to Rikers Island? I don't even know where it is.
Think I'll dish out a little justice of my own.
In order to halt my inevitable decline into abject poverty, I've repurposed the ferry to uncover hidden treasures from the deep. Nothing biting today, though. That's a safety feature to stop illegal salvage work. You don't have any qualms about hacking it. Whoa!
For us.
Oh! Guess that's why they installed that safety feature. Well, no more salvaging for me.
What am I in for today? I bet someone will pay a high price for it.
So close to the city has led to some peculiar objects ending up down here. What possible use could it all have been? So boring. It's all, I'm the king now. I was genetically engineered to be the king. And no, Lumeria can't be ruled by a human hybrid. Or, I have an ancient magic crown and I should be king. Yawn. much preferred our isolation.
Temperature seems off today.
Which led to some peculiar objects ending up.
Who knew that the tentacles of giant sea creatures poking out of the ground would be such a recurring issue?
To be the king. And no, Lumeria can't be ruled by a human hybrid. Or I have an ancient crown and I should be king.
I promise my next suit will be able to deal with this kind of thing.
Did the Avengers really let themselves be flushed away? Amateurs. I hear we do not have the greatest of reputations on land.
Temperature seems off today.
Hey there! We're testing out a new game show concept, and we're looking for bright-eyed, bushy-tailed participant.
Who's
I don't think you should be. I knew there was nothing to worry about. All of this stuff is as sturdy as my career. Oh, that's actually supposed to be harder to open. Oh well. Huh. Looks like we're about ready to go. Step inside the dome to get started. I'll just fix up this sign we have made with the scoring rules, and then we'll be good to go. Hi, and welcome to the hip new sensation that, as of yet, has not quite swept the nation. Catch the seashell. Let's not bother meeting today's contestant since nobody really cares, and instead, just get on with the show. The aim of the game is simple. Grab seashells, score points. Score enough points in the time limit, win a potentially fabulous prize. On my whistle. Today's winners will receive 3,000 followers on the social media platform of their choice.
The giant sword that fell from the sky. Good or
Keep an eye on the clock. I know that sounds like obvious advice, but on the other hand, it is obvious advice. You know, this sort of reminds me of a game from my youth. Only instead of catching shells and avoiding starfish in an underwater dome, you were supposed to catch apples and avoid backwash in a bucket full of water. Congratulations! You're now officially the first ever winner of Catch the Seashell. Normally, we'd give you the prize we promised here, but while the show's in the trial phase, we only have these substitute prizes. Still, better than nothing, right? Want to try again? Just step out and in again. It's a whole system. Best not to ask.
Time to swing it to action. Hey, I'm not just amazing or spectacular. I'm pretty useful, too.
I have a feeling I'm in for some strange tale.
Did the Avengers really let themselves be flushed?
I wonder if fathers reprimand ill-behaved daughters on land. Probably right. Otherwise, they'd stay ill-behaved.
Being so close to the city has led to some peculiar objects ending up down here. What possible...
Outsider.
I have to know what's in there. Apparently, there's something very intriguing in that cave, but the merman decided to close it up. So there is a person who can open it up, just as the prophecy foretold. But no doubt the anti-Lumerian enchantments yet hold.
The Black Panther is ready to strike once.
Very interesting. But don't you feel compelled to bring it out here, maybe? A little closer to me, What are you doing? The seer made no mention of this. Where did it go? You interfering fool! Stop that this instance! It disappeared again?
There's something very fishy about that story. To which he responded, I was telling you about my latest catch. I don't know what you expected.
All right, gently this time. Oh! Interesting. We may have accepted payment from that so-called television host.
Who knew that the tentacles of giant sea creatures poking out of the ground would be such a recurring issue?
Nothing shall stand in my way.
Being so close to the city has led to some peculiar objects ending up down here. What possible use could an orb of metal have? I believe Kang's reign could finally be coming to an end. Good current today.
We must never lack the courage to admit when we need help.
I am Groot?
great sword that fell from the sky.
We may have accepted payment from that so-called terrorist.
What is this? It may be of you.
Being so close to the city has led to some
The time of Atuma is finally at hand!
How odd it must be to breathe air.
I believe Kang's reign could finally be coming to an end.
A most valuable item. I should take great care of it.